Hi, good afternoon, all my friends and teacher. I'm Form Hey Gen AI created, and my name is Gia. When it comes to AI and fraud detection, we're talking about using artificial intelligence to spot shady activity by recognizing patterns and catching anything that seems out of place. These AI systems sift through huge amounts of data to find weird patterns, odd inconsistencies, or outliers that could signal fraud. Basically, they learn what normal transactions look like, so when something's off, they raise a flag. And as they get more data, they get better at catching fraud thanks to machine learning, making it an even smarter system over time. Some common tools folks use in this space are ACL Robotics, IDEA, and Darktrace. ACL Robotics is great for automating data checks and keeping an eye on things nonstop. It can spot issues like duplicate payments or unauthorized logins. IDEA is a popular tool among auditors for digging deep into entire datasets, pinpointing strange journal entries, gaps, or repeated values. Darktrace, on the other hand, uses AI to monitor cybersecurity, catching unusual user activities or potential insider threats. For example, an AI system might notice if someone at a company keeps issuing refunds just under the approval limit. That kind of pattern can seem suspicious, so the system flags it. These kinds of tech tools make it easier and faster for auditors to find and stop fraud before it causes damage. AI and fraud detection are the assessment of fraudulent or suspicious actions through the usage of artificial intelligence technologies by means of the analysis of patterns and anomaly detection. In contrast to the traditional approaches based on the set of rules, AI systems are trained on the data and keep getting better at detecting unusual behavior. Some advanced processes that AI uses in detecting fraud cater to the most advanced techniques. Pattern recognition is one of the commonest ones, and the AI system will learn about the typical behavior of either the user or the transaction, and anything that falls outside of this pattern will be flagged. It is also popular to detect anomalies, that is, unusual or inconsistent data points such as multiple payment on same day, large transfers that just do not make sense, or payments that are just below thresholds of approval. Also, through predictive analytics, there is use of past information and predict where they can occur. Even some AIs rely on natural language processing, NLP, to analyze emails or reports to identify previously unknown dangers of fraud in communication. There are some tools that are commonly said to assist AI-based fraud detection. One of the most famous software used is ACL Robotics, which automates the control testing of data and analysis and allows auditors to notice irregulars in the financial records. Designed by the company Caseware, IDEA provides auditors with an opportunity to investigate complete databases in order to detect such problems as duplicate entries or unusual transactions. Darktrace, in turn, employs the capabilities of AI in order to observe networks in real time and track either unusual user actions or malicious security risks. Benefits of fraud detection with the help of AI are numerous. It allows real-time tracking, high level of accuracy, and real-time surveillance, as well as minimizing the human error and human work. Marketers should facilitate quick processing of large volumes of data at a reduced cost, making it scalable to any business. Artificial intelligence is already influencing the real-life situation. As an example, banks apply AI to make abnormal credit card transactions, such as a foreign purchase. Retail firms employ it to monitor too much refund being made by the same employee, and insurance firms implement AI to analyze claims to detect fraud. The ACL and IDEA are the tools to identify ghost workers, phony suppliers, or breaches of policy in the internal audit. In short, AI has proven to be an effective instrument of discovering fraud through automation of data analysis, detection of risks, and amplification of internal control systems. AI enables an organization to be a step ahead as fraud schemes become sophisticated. Thank you all for taking the time to listen to my presentation. I truly appreciate your attention, support, and presence today. It means a lot to me that you spent your valuable time with me. Once again, thank you so much for being here. It was a pleasure to speak with you, and I hope to see you again in future sessions.